hot rollers, installation is key because at the end of the day, a hot roller is a hair setter, and however we set our hair in the roller is really going to dictate that final look. So today we've got the T3 Volumizing Hot Rollers Luxe. This set comes with 4 of the 1 3/4 inch hot rollers, the extra large. Those are beautiful at creating volume and body. And then you're going to get 4 of the 1.5 inch or the large rollers, and these create beautiful soft waves. I like to put the 1.5 inch towards the top of my head near the canopy and the larger rollers towards the bottom half of my hair. So let's get started. First things first, we want to detangle our hair, which I've already done. You want to always use hot rollers on completely dried and detangled hair. So to start my first section, I'm gonna use the 1.5 inch roller. So I'm gonna take a section that's about 1.5 inch wide right here, and I'm gonna go ahead and make sure it's not longer than the roller. So let me thin that out just a little bit. Now I want to over direct using the hot roller. So instead of just starting the roller down here, I'm going to pull my hair all the way up like this. I might even take my brush and detangle it like so. Then what I like to do is take my roller and sort of concentrate it in the middle of the section like this. And I can grip these Cool Touch grips here. I'm going to wrap my hair around really nice and cleanly and make sure those ends get tucked. I'm not going to do something like this where they're going to get creased. I'm going to unroll if I need to really effectively get those ends smooth. And then I'll go ahead and roll up. I'll know that I've done this correctly if the roller is sitting on top of the root of the hair of the section we're styling, which we've done quite effectively here. And then I'm going to take my creaseless clip. One side's a little longer than the other. I want that side to go on top. And basically, I want this roller to be nice and snug so it's not moving. This is going to really help prevent creasing. If as you're rolling your hair, you're doing something like this, right? And you've got pieces all over it. That's how you're going to get creases. And also, if as you roll your hair, you kind of let it hang and you have your clip sort of mangling the hair like that, that's when you're going to get creases. So it's all about that beautiful, easy installation. So let's do a few more just so you can see what it looks like. So I used the 1.5 inch at the top here. Let's go ahead and do another section. And we'll use the 1 3/4 inch. And again, over directing. So really holding that hair like right above the section and the root. Got it like so. Placing the roller near the middle of the section. Wrapping my ends really cleanly and nicely. And with that gorgeous velvet flocking, it grips the hair without causing any creasing or crimping. You're going to notice again, this roller is sitting right on the roots. It's not dangling and uncomfortable because it's hanging over my ear. I've got my creaseless clip. The long end is going to go on top. And again, no movement on these rollers. I'm not going to have any creases. Once we've got our rollers installed, we're going to wait about 10 to 15 minutes for them to completely cool before we remove them. You'll see these little indicator dots right here are gray, meaning they're still warm. I'll see you in a few minutes. When they turn black, it will be time to remove our rollers. A beautiful, voluminous, crease-free finish every time.